Best bread makers. Mechanical keyboards have become a favorite among typists and gamers because they deliver distinct switch feel, reliable build quality, thoughtful layouts, and great value. Choosing a great bread maker follows the same kind of careful logic. You're looking for good material quality, intuitive controls/layout, performance needing to bake, and strong value. In this guide, we review 5 bread machines that hit those marks, each designed to help you turn out homemade loaves with ease. Product number 1. KBS Pro 710W Bread Maker. 2-pound, 17-in-1 automatic bread machine with healthy ceramic pan. The KBS Pro 710W is a well-rounded automatic bread machine built for variety and ease. It offers a 2-pound loaf capacity with 17 program settings, which span basic white, whole wheat, gluten-free, dough, jam, and more. The healthy ceramic pan is a standout, non-stick, easy to clean, and safer than some older Teflon pans. Reviewers highlight that the machine handles each cycle reliably, and the crust browning is consistent. Some trade-offs. While 17 programs sound extensive, not all settings deliver perfect results, especially gluten-free or artisan loaves. And the machine footprint is moderately large, so it may dominate smaller counters. If you're baking regularly and crave program variety and a durable ceramic pan, this machine delivers strong value and performance for its price. Product number 2. Kitchen Arm 29-in-1 Smart Bread Machine with gluten-free. This Kitchen Arm model raises the versatility ante, offering 29 preset programs, including major options for gluten-free, sugar-free, multigrain, and even pizza dough or jam. Its smart element includes a touchscreen interface and delay timer function, letting you load ingredients overnight and wake up to fresh bread. Users praise the broad program range and how it supports different dietary needs. On the flip side, the sheer number of programs may be overkill for users who just want a standard loaf, and the large control panel adds complexity. Also, as with many machines offering full smart features, the learning curve is a bit steeper and the price somewhat higher than basic models. For tech-savvy bakers who want high flexibility and thrive on program variety, particularly if you experiment with gluten-free or specialty loaves, this machine stands as a strong value. Product number 3. Amazon Basics Programmable Bread Maker. As a budget-friendly entry point, the Amazon Basics Programmable Bread Maker offers solid fundamentals without premium bells and whistles. It supports loaf sizes up to 2 pounds, has several crust settings, light, medium, dark, and includes a delay timer so you can start later. Reviewers highlight how unexpected it is for the low cost to still deliver dough mixing, proofing, and baking in one machine reliably. Since many expert reviews list budget machine categories, this kind of model shines for standard white or whole wheat loaves. Trade-offs: it lacks premium features like a ceramic pan, extensive gluten-free programs, or advanced customization. Paddle type may be simple, and loaf shape may not be as perfect as higher-end machines. But if you're just getting started in home bread making and want reliable, basic performance at a modest investment, this machine is hard to beat. Product number 4. Elite Gourmet EBM 8103M Programmable Bread Maker Machine. 3 loaf sizes. The Elite Gourmet EBM 8103M stands out by offering 3 loaf size options, often 1 pound, 1.5 pound, and 2 pound, and a full set of programmable settings, making it flexible for households of different sizes. Its control panel presents easy-to-navigate buttons and an LCD screen. Users report consistent bakes for standard loaves and decent crust control. Plus, the smaller loaf sizes are handy if you bake less frequently or want smaller portions. The drawbacks: the build is more plastic-heavy compared to premium machines, and heavy-duty bread formulas, dense whole grain or artisan, may need tweaking. For those who want flexibility in loaf size, clear controls, and dependable output without paying premium brand prices, this machine offers excellent value.
Product number 5, 2LB breadmaker machine, Osipoto 17-in-1 automatic stainless steel bread machine. The Osipoto 2-pound bread maker is a strong value proposition for families. 2-pound capacity, 17 programs, and stainless steel exterior give it a sturdy, modern look. Reviewers highlight its large viewing window, easy to monitor, and program menu that covers standard bread types and dough. The stainless pan is non-stick, and performance for standard white or whole wheat loaves is solid. On the flip side, specialty breads like truly artisan or heavy gluten-free may not rise as tall or have as crisp a crust as premium models. Still, for many home bakers who want a robust machine that looks nice, bakes reliably, and handles regular loaf production, this Osipoto model offers significant value without major compromise.